So the master is giving more food for the cats to eat and to hunt and eat. So ayan, si Sophie, the smart Sophie, kasi nauna na si Sophie kanina. Ito namang isa, pakakainin niya. Let's see how smart this. Oh, ayan, may dumating pang isa. Oh, so dumadami na sila mga folks. They want to play, all the cats coming out one by one. So this is how they do it. They put the foods in every hole. And then the cats will search for it. So then, ito na sila. Yan, okay. Ready? The first player will be cat with the white collar. And this is the other one. The black cat is confined to the bathroom kasi